Well, welcome back, everybody. Sorry I kept you waiting. So we're going to continue on where we left off. And we're going to get into the next rule. But before that, let's get to the disclaimer. Note, you should use the rules below in your mind only for the purpose of understanding. Always look up words and learn their meanings. If you don't know what they mean, you can even look up synonyms, but only for comprehension. Never paraphrase, add to, or take away from Scripture. When memorizing Scriptures, you should memorize the word as it is written. You know the deal. Now let's get to the ETH rule. So when you see ETH at the end of a word, it is a present tense, meaning that it is continual. It continues always, every day. You must remember that this rule is only for your understanding. I will only give you examples now. After these three examples and the one example combining the theme and ETH rules, you should use the ETH rule in your mind only for the purpose of understanding. Again, I stress, when memorizing Scriptures, you should memorize the word as it is written. You're going to learn that because of warfare, but I'm not going to go into that now. We're just learning. So let's get to example number 1. King James Authorized Version, Matthew chapter 7, verse 8. For everyone that asketh receiveth, and he that seeketh findeth, and to him that knocketh it shall be opened. So let's divide that. So King James Version divided. For everyone that continually asks, continually receives, and he that continually seeks, continually finds, and to him that continually knocks, it shall be opened. Now, continually seeking is knocking. So the harder you seek, you begin to knock. Example number 2, King James Authorized Version. Matthew chapter 4, verse 4. But he answered and said, It is written, Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceedeth out of the mouth of God. So let's divide that. King James Version divided. But he answered and said, It is written, Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that continually proceeds out of the mouth of God. So you're getting an idea. So that when you're reading this and you see at the end of a word, don't just overlook it. You want to get that aspect into your mind, into your heart, into your soul, that this is always happening. Okay, let's go to example number 3. Matthew chapter 7, verse 17 through 19. Even so, every good tree bringeth forth good fruit, but a corrupt tree bringeth forth evil fruit. A good tree cannot bring forth evil fruit, neither can a corrupt tree bring forth good fruit. Every tree that bringeth not forth good fruit is hewn down and cast into the fire. So let's divide that. Even so, every good tree continually brings forth good fruit, but a corrupt tree brings forth evil fruit. A good tree cannot bring forth evil fruit, neither can a corrupt tree bring forth good fruit. Every tree that continually brings not forth good fruit is hewn down and cast into the fire. So it's not like you can start and then decide you want to stop one day. The Scripture applies to you as you continue. The moment you stop, no longer applies. Okay, guys, we're going to get to the next rule.